Hello and welcome to Uline Commercials video series. In this video, we will walk you through the shock freezing cycle and how to create your own recipe on your Uline commercial blast chiller and shock freezer. Let's begin. To start, plug your unit in. It will then begin to power on. Once the unit is on, the standby screen will appear. Once you are on the standby screen, push and hold down the power button until you see "Please wait." Once you are on the home page, click the shock freezing button. After you click on the shock freezing button, the recipe screen will appear. Here you can choose from a variety of preset recipes, or you can create your own by clicking the manual button. Let's click on the manual button and go through how to create your own recipe. After you click the manual button, the manual programming page will appear. On the left-hand side of this page, you will see a number of settings you can adjust to create your own custom recipe. The top setting you will see is time. To change a setting, simply press down on the small box next to the time box, and then the line should become highlighted. Once the line is highlighted, you can enter the time you would like the cycle to run for. You can choose between 1 minute to 1,440 minutes. The second setting you will see is the air temperature. You can highlight this line and adjust your temperature from -40 to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The fan speed should be kept at 10. The fourth setting is hold temperature. You can highlight this line and adjust your temperature from -40 degrees to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Once all the settings are set as needed, click the OK button to start the cycle. The cycle will then start. Once the cycle is in progress, the shock freezing details page will appear. Here you will see the food temperature, the air temperature, how much time has passed since you started the cycle, the end of cycle temperature, the air set temperature, and the end of cycle time. If for any reason you want to stop the cycle, just hit the stop button, and this will return the unit to the home screen. Once the cycle is completed, there will be a checkered flag in the center of the cycle page, and the unit will beep every second. The unit will go into hold mode indefinitely, or until you touch the flag. Touch the stop button to return to the home screen. Thank you for joining us. For more information, visit uline.com/commercial.